Evening, ladies and gentlemen, and honored judges. The topic for debate is public school are better than private school. The affirmative team believe that the statement is true. Today, I will be talking as first affirmative. Firstly, imagine a world without public school or even any service funded by tax. You would have a brutally built society. One part illiterate with no understanding of how to take care of themselves, which would most likely adopt a lower life expectancy of that group. The other educate and superior because they have money. Without public school, the pool of educate and talent minds would depend solely on if you were rich or not. This is purely based on the effect without public school. However, I will also look at the advantages specifically given from public school. With public school education, you are likely to develop greater social skill and also live a fuller and more enjoyable life. Life isn't about all the good things that come easy. It's about experiencing the good and the bad, being mixed with the good and the bad, and building yourself based on your experience. And which I believe private school would most likely be the cause of the ignorance held by those who don't hold value for their fellow human beings who aren't as well off. It's easy to live in paradise and some those who don't, but that's greed, selfishness, and ignorance. Things I consider to be detrimental to society and conclude by saying public schools are without question vital and better for society than private school. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable to the judge, moderator, timekeeper, my beloved affirmative team, and all the audience. Thank you for the opportunity that given to me. We are negative team. Let me introduce our team. Me as first negative speaker, Ender Lesbiana, and our second speaker, Sonia Natalia. And for the replay speech will be given by me. Well, because the first speaker of affirmative team didn't give us the limitation, so here I would like to give our limitation. I believe that choosing the right school for children can be difficult. You must know that you are making the right choice. Each children is unique when it comes to learning, and the option that might be right for a child might not be the best for another individual with individual needs. So the public school may or may not be the best option. Public school has a built-in structure. Children, particularly young children, thrive on routine and they require a lot of attention and care. If you are trying to private school, your children while else being a lot of care because private school allows you to choose more specialized educational attention for children. Maybe parents have a different educational philosophies than public school administration and teacher. After that, private schooling may promote a closer familiar relationship. Many parents find that they enjoy spending extra time with their kids. Private school can save time also. You don't have to transport to and from school every day. Well, ladies and gentlemen, according to the National Home Education Research Institute, most of 80% parents agree that private school is better than public school because private school has many advantages more than public school. lack of violence, better social development, more effective learning, better education, and flexible, based on survey in Mary Pride books that states 4 to 10 children feared violence at public school, such as physical and verbal abuse. The most violence are bullying and fighting. Some students in public school said that they are getting stressed and they have to go to school if they already got bullying from their friend. It also can affect the psychology of the child itself. So, how can public school deal with school violence that hasn't stopped till now? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the argument of Miss Enda Rosdiana. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Sally Arianti. I as a second affirmative speaker and my partner Maulidinia Utami as first affirmative speaker. Well, this is the advantage of public school because children will be taught to have a sense of struggle in socializing. Children will find many other people with a variety of different characters. Then, the child will know it by itself or advice from others how to deal with other children with harsh characters. Can you imagine if our children are private schools? Children will meet the teacher with his parents only. That is, if their parents participate in supervising children learning. The scope of his relationship is only around the house or other places that are proved as places to study. This means that if a child is placed in a private school, the child does not have peer pressure which can make the child ready for the adult world. Socialization and interaction with peers lower in age, not accustomed to working in teams. The child lacks the fighting spirit in competing with peers. So, by placing children in public school, where children are also taught discipline from aspect of learning, time, and playtime, with the rules that apply in formal education, it indirectly increases the discipline of children, and with the existence of school assignments that are very dense, it can force children to continue learning. Then, there are benefits for children to train mentally and physically from these rules to remain strong and have a sense of discipline. And another benefit of public school is that children can recognize their identity. With formal education, we can get to know children's identity from the result of the final exam that have passed and receive a diploma from an institution that recognize that children are educated people, have good quality, and can be relied upon. Does not cover the fact that job openings lately require people who have ability or good quality. Then, educated people will more easily get the job. Thank you.
Okay, Lily, thank you for your opinion. But I think talent in private schools is no longer in doubt. There are more socialization in private schools than public schools. For example, as my colleague said, the ties of socialization, the ties of socialization and interaction of communication from the teacher to parents are very close. It means parents Parents will know a lot about the children's development at school, and also parents can control the children to prevent activities that can damage the children because of the social environment. We need to realize we often see in television and newspaper that frequent growth among the majority of students is from public schools. Even actions such as not attending their class activities. Smoking in the bathroom is a common activity that they usually do in between class hours. When compared to private schools, there are fewer actions that violate school's rules. This is because there is a strict supervision from the private school. So, schools can from regular behavior, order, discipline, and even religious observance. With the formation of these behaviors, this is a guarantee for the future of the children to become successful people, even excellence in higher education or excellence in job competition. One of internet media reported that Ahok, ex-governor of DKI Jakarta, decided to immediately expel the children involved in the riots or brawl from the public school. He also emphasizes that one parent who did not accept his child was expelled from a public school. That parents are more cruel because they cannot to supervise their children, so they are able to commit criminal acts. And this is substantiation that private schools are better than public schools. Thank you.
Yes, Andrea, thank you. I disagree with your argument. The first set of methods we handle for asking for help at school must be under the general term school management. This method contains everything related to discipline and punishment given at the school location, the rules and regulations that apply to the school, and a discussion of the provisions of these rules, while discipline and punishment have been and continue to be very unpopular among academics, especially in the past 30 years. The practice has made a bit of comeback. Educators at the forefront, parents, and politicians have had increasing support in public schools since the 1960s, have agreed in security reform and coordinating for security use and are wondering whether there is a connection between the two. Nonetheless, the civil rights revolution, though not as strong as it once was, has left its mark in public school in the form of various legal processes that make it difficult to actually punish troublemakers in desired ways because this may be bad news from the point of view interested in carrying out punitive measures. It also represents the necessity of compulsory education and mandate meetings in certain schools. When the government provides fair service and guarantee approval of the authorities, private schools are provided voluntarily, use private money, and are selected and accepted not according to reasonable process. Private school in general can make contract with anyone they like, with whatever condition they like, unless consideration of an appropriate process must be considered for all government service, whether it is casing social security checks, granting a driver's license, or selecting a contractor. The fact the, the fact that compulsory education and participation in certain schools makes the government burden even greater. Instead of flipping public school, it is difficult to suspend and expel students. The alternative, school that punish left and right and expel students recklessly will be even worse. Thank you.
Thank you for Maulidinia. Ladies and gentlemen, that might be true, but in case of secure of public school in 2011, 20% of high school students were bullied at school and 33% reported being involved in physical fight in the last year. In 1 month, in 1 month. Nearly 6% of high schoolers stayed home because felt unsafe at or on their way to school. In January 14, 2020, one of the students at junior high school in East Jakarta suspect of attempting killed herself by jumping from fourth floor in her school. National Commission for Child Protection claim, according to evidence from witness, and the last message that sending to her friends leads to bullying, and plus the fact that no one protected her from school. According to subsection and rules from Ministry of Education and Culture 2014, there should be assignment of counseling teacher to handle students that have problem. Unfortunately, because too many students make it ineffective and cannot be handled in detail. The most important thing is students should be explore an ability supported by positive activity and get achievement, but nothing secure and comfortable of the system at school. Public schools should be a play-friendly school and justice as it does private schools so many more cases handled. Moreover, the purpose of education is focused on finding and optimize children's potential from God, not just value competition. They should be provide the best safety and educational facilities. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Enda, it seems like everything you submitted has been delivered directly by my partner. To prevent this kind of thing from public school already discussing it, let us call a number of schools with types of engineering majors. They are taught to have a strong mentality both in teaching and learning or in their friendship. The teachers have also been equipped with knowledge of how to educate students in accordance with existing professions. The important point is that children will gain knowledge and knowledge on how to struggle in an environment with many people with different characters. As we know the situation in Indonesia, their economy are not all in safe number. They must divide their income with primary needs and other needs including their children's education. And public school are the best answer because children will get a curriculum that is not much different from private school. Also, the facilities they get according to what they should be able to. In contrast to private school, the funding varies between the curriculum and the facilities that will be obtained. Addition is that children have the provision to socialize with many people and struggle in their social lives. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lily. But you say that only in engineering majors. What about majors that are not the same? If the problem is lack of a cost, private schools also have a scholarship acceptance system. Even the government of Semarang, Hendra Prihadi, obtained from the TIC News on January 16, 20, on January 17, 2020, he said to enact a free private school program and provide scholarship to students from underprivileged families and children who excel. Hendra also emphasized that if the innovation of a free private education program was priority, one of his priorities because it becomes one of the basic human resources. This is also in line with President Jokowi's program, which focus on building human resources. So I believe that private schools can also be objective in dealing with parents' financial program in Indonesia. Thank you.
Thank you for your argument, Sonia. We have final statement. The conclusion of public school, the advantage and the advantage. The advantage are conveyed by me as first affirmative, and the advantage is conveyed by Lely second affirmative. 1. Meet more and work with other people. 2. More opportunities in different fields such as sport and clubs. 3. Provide access to complete facilities from the academic fields. For non-academic fields, such as art, business, and technology, formal schools rarely provide educate facilities unless the child joins a formal school with a specific vocational. 4. More resources for work provided by the state. 5. Includes formal education pathways with structure and tiered characteristics. Formal schools are regulated centrally by the government through the curriculum. Thank you.
Okay, there are disadvantages of public school. Number one is formal school accustoms students to sit and listen to the teacher. Learning activities depend on the teacher's skill in preparing learning activities for students. Parents don't have access to choose learning activities that are suitable for their children. Number two is the curriculums follow the government. We cannot choose which lesson can be mixed or which lesson to be deepened according to the talents of children. Number three is don't have flexibility. All learning activities, subject matters, allocation of learning time, and evaluation of the learning process are regulated by the curriculum that must be followed by the school. Number four is pressure from friends, intimidation, isolation. Cases of sexual harassment are still common. Number five, there are still many teachers who don't teach according to regulation. Number six is a busy schedule. Thank you.
Thanks for affirmative group. Ladies and gentlemen, based on what both sides have said, it can be conclude that outcome for the debate is private schools often have a more challenging academic curriculum. Some are religious-based schools and can provide regular religious classes. Private schools have the benefit of much smaller classes, so teachers can give better individual attention. Private schools often have better access to resources like books, supplies, and computers. Discipline in private school is usually a lot of stricter. If there are children that disrupt classes or ignore rules, they are more likely to be expelled from the school. Private schools are more traditional. These teach pupils to value tradition and uphold these beliefs. Children that attend private school often have a more established network after school through the alumni association. Thank you.
Okay, there are several dis- there are several disadvantages from private schools. One, private schools are far more expensive than public schools, and many parents can afford to send their children to them. This can make them quite an elite experience. Two, many of the children that attend private schools are from a wealthier background. This often puts pressure on middle-class children who attend private schools as they feel they have to keep up with that standard. 3. The religious emphasis can be alienating for those who follow a different religion. 4. Private schools often offer a more limited curriculum and are more traditional in subject choices. 5. Some of the newer private schools don't have sporting facilities and so offer a limit range of extramural activities for children. The decision of whether to send your child The decision of whether to send your child to a public or private school really depends on the child and what kind of education and attention they need, as well as the cost of the school and if that's an opinion for you. Thank you.
Thank you.